Did you know indoor plants and gardening can have numerous health benefits and can help kids stay active? Indoor plants are more than just a pleasing aesthetic. They're nature's own air purifiers, improving the quality of air we breathe by reducing carbon dioxide levels and increasing oxygen. They also absorb harmful toxins, creating a cleaner, healthier environment for us all. But the magic doesn't stop there. Studies have shown that indoor plants can help reduce stress levels and improve mood, creating a sense of tranquility in our often hectic daily lives. And let's not forget the increased humidity they provide, which can help prevent dry skin, sore throats, and dry coughs, especially in those dry winter months. Now, imagine channeling these benefits into a fun, educational activity for kids. Gardening, even on a small indoor scale, provides an amazing opportunity for children to learn about nature, responsibility, and patience. It's a hands-on, immersive way to teach kids that good things come to those who wait, and that even the smallest seed can grow into something beautiful and beneficial. Indoor plants and gardening are not just about beautifying spaces or hobbies, they offer a wealth of health benefits too. So let's roll up our sleeves, get our hands a little dirty, and experience the magic of indoor plants and gardening together. Ever wondered how a bit of greenery indoors can contribute to your health? The secret lies in the simple process of photosynthesis, where plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, effectively improving the air quality around us. When we breathe in this oxygen-rich air, our body functions positively, and our minds feel refreshed. But that's not all. Indoor gardening is not just about growing plants, it's also a great form of physical activity. The process of potting, watering, and maintaining plants can provide a low-intensity, yet effective, workout that can help keep you active and fit. Moreover, the act of nurturing plants can have therapeutic effects. It can help reduce stress levels, improve concentration, and promote a sense of well-being. The simple joys of seeing a plant grow from a seed to a flourishing green can bring immense satisfaction and happiness. So, whether it's a small herb garden on your kitchen windowsill or a large indoor plant in your living room, these little patches of nature can significantly contribute to your physical and mental health. Who knew that bringing a bit of nature indoors could do wonders for your health? Looking for a fun, educational activity that can also keep your kids active? Well, let's sow the seeds of interest right in your living room with indoor gardening. It's not just about nurturing plants, it's also about nurturing young minds and bodies. Gardening is an engaging activity that can keep kids on their toes, literally. Tasks like digging, watering, and planting are not just chores, they're mini workouts. Every scoop of soil, every drop of water, every seed planted, all involve movement, coordination, and a bit of sweat. It's a fun way to keep kids active, away from screens, and in touch with nature. But the benefits of gardening go beyond just physical activity. It also fosters a love for nature in kids, teaching them about the cycle of life, the importance of nurturing, and the joy of seeing their efforts bloom into beautiful plants. They learn about responsibility as they take care of their little green friends, and about patience as they wait for their plants to grow. So why not start a small indoor garden today? It's a step towards better health for you and an active learning experience for your kids.